Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Today we will know how to work PLC Power Supply. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. The PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, power supply is responsible for providing electrical power to the PLC itself and the connected input and output modules. It ensures that the PLC operates reliably and consistently to perform its control functions. Here's how the PLC power supply works. Voltage input. The PLC power supply is typically connected to an external power source, such as the main electrical supply in an industrial facility. The power supply takes the input voltage from this source. Voltage regulation. The power supply often includes voltage regulation circuitry to stabilize the input voltage. It ensures that the output voltage remains within a specified range, even if the input voltage fluctuates or varies. DC conversion. If applicable, if the power supply provides DC voltage, it converts the incoming AC voltage to the required DC voltage. Most PLCs use DC power supplies because they offer better stability and safety in industrial environments. Galvanic isolation. Optional. Some power supplies offer galvanic isolation between the input and output sides. This isolation protects the PLC and the connected devices from potential voltage spikes, ground loops, or electrical noise that might be present in the input power. Current rating. The power supply has a specified current rating, which indicates the maximum current it can deliver to the PLC and its connected devices. The current rating should be sufficient to meet the power demands of the entire PLC system. Output voltage. The stabilized and regulated voltage is then provided as the output of the power supply. For example, a common output voltage for PLC power supplies is 24 VDC. Distribution. The output voltage is distributed to the various sections of the PLC, including the CPU, central processing unit, and the input-output modules. Redundancy. Optional in critical applications, redundant power supplies may be used to ensure continuous operation even if one power supply fails. Redundancy adds an additional layer of reliability to the system. Overload protection. The power supply typically includes overload protection, which prevents excessive current draw or short circuits from damaging the power supply or the connected devices. Monitoring and fault indication. Some power supplies offer monitoring features, such as LED indicators or alarm outputs, to indicate the status of the power supply and any potential faults. Proper power supply selection and installation are crucial to ensure the reliable and safe operation of the PLC system. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and specifications to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Additionally, adhere to safety standards and best practices when dealing with electrical power and components. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.